Hi guys, I just wanted to do a quick comparison of linear and wide modes in a GoPro 7 and 9 here on my motorcycle using the Jaws clamp and kind of a selfie view. I definitely prefer the wide angle. The wide setting gives me a little bit more of the background and I get a little bit more of myself in the shot. Linear you can see is cropped and you don't really get to see as much as the wide, and I'm not affected so much by the wide the wide's fisheye effect. However, when you move to the point of view reference like this, you do get more of a fisheye effect using the wide angle. I prefer the linear from this point of view. So linear just seems to be a little more natural. Wide, I can't adjust my clamp all that well using this point of view, so I don't get to see much of the sky. I think wide is not the way to go when I'm using this view. Linear I definitely like. If you guys want to play around with things, that's really what you need to do. Just play around with it. Don't overthink it. You can't go wrong with either view. Like the video and subscribe to my channel if you got something out of this. Okay, thanks.